½ kilograms boneless chicken. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Marinate for 1 hour. 1/4 cup cooking oil. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. Add marinated chicken. Cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. ½ teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. One capsicum, julienne cut. 1 onion, julienne cut. Cook for 1 minute. Tablespoons soy sauce. 1/3 cup tomato ketchup. Mix well. ½ cup water. 2 tablespoons corn flour. Mix well. Add corn flour mixture and stir continuously. Cook on medium flame 2 minutes.